Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. This is Sean Frost. We're going to do a video on a 2018 Forest River Grey Wolf 20 RDSC. About 22 feet, 4,000 pounds. This would be considered SUV towable. If your vehicle can tow 5,000 pounds, you would be able to tow this one. Notice on the outside we've got 2 speakers, your connection for your TV, your double axle. On those tires, you got tire pressure monitors. They're green when they're at the proper PSI. They will turn red or amber when they're low. Backup camera prep. It's a big back bay window. Gives you a gorgeous view of your campground. Let's not let the low price of this model fool you. Power awning, backup camera prep, stabilizer jacks. You have an automatic refrigerator, switchable between gas or electric. So when you're driving down the road, it's going to be off gas. When you're plugged in, it's going to be off electric, of course. Queen size bed, 60 by 74 are the dimensions. There you've got your wardrobe closet. Some underneath storage for shirts, shoes, sheets, whatever you want to put. A second wardrobe closet. Now on either side, you got charging ports. There's your LED light. One right there. Here's how everything looks looking up to the front. So your bathroom's a little small. At this size, it's something that you're just gonna have to deal with. Small shower, toilet, sink, everything that you need though. LP monitor, there's your fuses. Let's go ahead and show you the inside of the fridge. In the freezer. Alright, so you have some more storage here. So a little storage underneath the dinette as well. Emergency exit. Additional storage back here. Real nice size compartments in the back. There's your CD DVD player. So this will play Bluetooth. So Pandora, YouTube, anything that you want to play from your phone. Now I guess from the bigger campers, the only thing this doesn't have besides the size would be an oven. There's no oven. 3 burners and a microwave. There's the TV connections, your gauges. Storage. There you have it, 4,000 pounds, very lightweight. There's your backup camera prep. Drip spouts. 30-amp connection. There's your holding tanks. Satellite cable prep, connected from your campground. Fresh and city water connection. See the stabilizer jacks, water heater, where your battery will go, 2 20-pound propane tanks, your crank tongue jack, partial fiberglass cap, diamond plate to prevent chipping, model number 20 RDSC. And the stabilizer jacks, of course there's 4 of them, every corner. There's your nearly pass-through storage. Other than the water heater over there, it's going to stop it from being totally pass-through, but pretty darn close. So we try to price the best price online. You can see that being posted. This has been Sean Frost with the walkthrough video on a 2018 Forest River Grey Wolf 20 RDSC. Thank you.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.